Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to share with you 7 essential tips for spotting phishing emails and protecting your personal information. Phishing emails are a sneaky tactic used by cybercriminals to steal your sensitive information or download malware onto your devices. But don't worry, we've got you covered with these helpful tips to keep your inbox safe. Let's dive in. Tip 1. Check the sender's email address. Cybercriminals often use fake email addresses that resemble legitimate ones. Be sure to double-check the sender's email address against the official email of the company or organization they claim to represent. If something seems off, it's better to be cautious and do some extra research. Tip 2. Look for generic greetings. Phishing emails often use impersonal greetings like "Dear Customer" or "Dear User" instead of your actual name. If an email doesn't address you personally, it could be a red flag that it's a phishing attempt. Tip 3. Be cautious of urgent or threatening language. Phishing emails often create a false sense of urgency to pressure you into taking action. If an email threatens to close your account or take legal action if you don't respond, be extra cautious and investigate further. Tip 4. Check for spelling and grammar mistakes. Moving on to tip number 4. Phishing emails often contain errors that legitimate companies and organizations would have caught. If an email is riddled with mistakes, it's likely not genuine. Tip 5. Hover over links. Before clicking any link in an email, hover your cursor over it to see the destination URL. Phishing emails often use fake URLs designed to look like legitimate ones. Make sure you verify the destination URL before clicking. Tip 6. Don't give out personal information. Never give out personal information via email. Legitimate businesses will never ask for sensitive information, like your social security number or password, through email. If you receive a message requesting this information, it's likely a phishing email. Tip 7. Be cautious of attachments. And finally, tip number 7. Phishing emails often contain attachments that harbor malware or viruses. Be wary of attachments from unknown senders or ones that you weren't expecting. When in doubt, don't open it. And there you have it. 7 essential tips to help you spot phishing emails and protect your personal information. Remember to always be cautious and verify the legitimacy of emails before taking any action. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next video.